video, we are going to decorate our home Christmas tree. Every year, I wanted our Christmas tree to look different. It could be similar from previous decoration or theme, just because as much as possible, I want to recycle ornaments. So for this year, I have decided, or I am going for that homey vibe or rustic style. This is the first year that we're going to have this Christmas tree on this corner. We always have it by the bay window, but because we have added indoor plants that require bright lights, so we have to adjust and move this Christmas tree on this corner. Now we're going to put the Christmas ornaments on this Christmas tree. As you see, there are already ribbons. If you want to see how I decorated the Christmas tree with these ribbons, I'm going to put the link on the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. I always put the ribbons first before the Christmas ornaments. It is a personal preference. I have seen people do the opposite, so whatever is easier for you. I have bought these ornaments before the new restriction was in place by the provincial government. 90% of these items were from Michael's when they had their buy one get one free, and then 5% were from Giant Tiger, and the rest were from Canadian Tire last year. I bought them during Boxing Day. So by the way, I found this old Christmas ornaments. They're in silver. I might be using them as a filler for the inner part of the Christmas tree, just to make it fuller. So we will be putting some ornaments on areas where we tied the ribbon, just to kinda hide that area. And also we'll be putting it on spaces like this where there is like blank space and the inner part is very visible. I'm going to start by using these picks. It's pine cones, and I'm going to put it in areas where there are a few pine cones. This Christmas tree came with large pine cones, and I'm gonna add this picks to the tree. Christmas balls. We're going to put it in the inner part of the tree to make it fuller. The rest of the Christmas ornaments on the Christmas tree, so it is faster and easier. We are going to put this peaks as our tree topper, and let's see how it's going to look like. our Christmas topper looks like. It is a struggle to put them together because the branches are just entangled with each other, but looks nice. This is how it looks like without the tree lights on. I still want it to look elegant and beautiful without the lights. And this is how the tree looks like when the lights are on. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Until next time, God bless and Merry